Apple didn't kill BlackBerry. Poor innovation did. Netflix didn't kill Blockbuster. Refusing to adapt did. And in 2026, the same thing will happen to virtual assistants and freelancers. AI and automation aren't here to wipe out VAs, but ignoring them will. That's why in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get ahead of 99% of virtual assistants and freelancers. Now, if this is something you're interested in, you want to become the 1%, like this video so it can reach a wider audience, subscribe to the channel if you're yet to, stick around and let's get into it. First, you need to learn how to use AI-powered tools. Now, you might say, Mfon, I know how to use ChatGPT. Do you know how to prompt properly? In this video, I shared with you how you can apply for financial aid on Coursera and take the AI prompt engineering course. Because it's one thing to use ChatGPT, it's another thing to know how to prompt properly and get content that doesn't sound like a robot. So you need to know how to use AI power tools to draft emails, captions, blog posts, articles that doesn't sound like that sounds human and relatable. Another tool you need to learn to separate yourself from the 99 is Zapier or Make.com. I personally teach how to use Zapier in my VA simulation program. Now, if you want to learn not just Zapier, but high income skills that clients are paying for that will separate you from 99% of virtual assistants, you want to use the link in the description and in the pinned comment to sign up for the next wave of the VA simulation program. So you can use Zapier to move data between apps, update spreadsheets. Basically, these tools help different apps that should not be in the same room communicate with each other. For example, you can use Zapier when someone books a call with your client. The client will automatically be added to the calendar and will receive automatic welcome message that you don't have to do manually. So this is the power. This is just the basic function of Zapier. There is more to it. You can connect up to 2, 3, 4 apps. Another tool you need to learn how to use is a Loom and AI note taker. This is specifically important for you if you want to specialize as an administrative VA or you want to work with executives. These tools will help you record and summarize notes, short videos, SOPs. The next tool you need to master is ManyChat. If you have ever come across a post where they tell you comment, let's say many, then you will get the freebie. That is the power of ManyChat. These creators, especially if they have like 100 followers, they are not sending these links manually to their subscribers, to their followers or commenters. All right, they have an AI tool that is doing this automation, and that tool is called ManyChat. So you need to know how to set up ManyChat, set up automations for comments, for stories, for DMs. This is one of the tools as well I teach my students how to use in the VA simulation program. You might comment the keyword by 12 a.m. whilst the creator is sleeping. Who is sending it to you? AI. So basically, businesses and content creators use ManyChat to automate clients and customers' conversation. You can use ManyChat for Instagram DM, Facebook, WhatsApp. So you can add this to the services you're offering. Let's say you're a social media manager, you can add this to your services. I don't just manage social media, I convert conversations into cash 24 hours because ManyChat will not sleep whilst you're sleeping. It's working whilst you're sleeping. This is the power of automation. Hey neighbor, I hope you're enjoying today's video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. So before we go further into the video, I just want to tell you something real quick. Do you know that 60.9% of people who watch my channel or videos on my channel have not subscribed yet? Yes, so if you're finding value in this video and any other video you must have watched on my channel, kindly show me some love and support by clicking the subscribe button and make sure to turn on the notification bell as well so you don't miss any content on the channel. While at it, give this video a like so it can reach a wider audience. Another thing I need to tell you is that registration for the next wave of the VA simulation program is open. So click the link in the description and in the pinned comment to sign up. Don't miss this wave again, neighbor. Show up for yourself this year, okay? If you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I am grateful for you. If you're a returning subscriber, I am grateful for you as well. Now let's head back to the video. So you don't just sell yourself as a VA. As a matter of fact, I always tell my students, when you are optimizing your bio, don't write VA, I'm a virtual assistant. Don't write it. You can maybe drop it somewhere in the description, say LinkedIn, you can drop it in the about section, but your header should be different from every other person. Just pick a skill. That is the skill you should highlight on your bio, Instagram bio, or LinkedIn bio. So don't just sell yourself as a virtual assistant. Another way you can get ahead of 99% of virtual assistants or freelancers is to specialize in AI safe niches. Now, when I talk about AI safe niches, I am referring to industries, skills, or business models that are less likely to be fully automated or replaced by AI in the near future, let's say 3 to 5 years. These are areas where the human elements, judgment, creativity, trust, emotional intelligence, and cultural nuances is too complex for AI to replace or replicate entirely. What are some of these AI niches that will put you ahead of 99% of virtual assistants or freelancers? Number one is what I call high trust services. Now, stay with me. Let me explain. These are services where clients want to work with a person they can trust. Say career coaching, life coaching. Clients want empathy and lived experience, not just answers, not just information. These services also include consulting, therapy, counseling. These are human first, high trust services. Another AI safe niche is the creative niche. AI can generate, but you see human taste and storytelling. That's something, I don't know, that's something that will always stand out. Personal branding, telling stories that people can relate to. Content creation with lived experience can become an AI powered VA to content creators that value these, value storytelling, values human touch in their content. The next AI safe niche that will put you ahead of 99% of virtual assistants is community and relationship based niche. AI cannot replace belonging. AI cannot replace accountability groups. AI cannot replace accountability communities. AI cannot replace belonging, that sense of belonging that we all need. So you can moderate for membership communities where people pay to belong, where people pay to have access to relationship, where people pay to stay accountable. You can manage virtual events, meetups. This is something that is coming up. I don't know about you, but have you been seeing where people create virtual meetups like not hook up. I don't want to use the word hook up. Blind dates, more like a dating app, but it's not a dating app. Just virtual events where people get to meet their spouse or people for talking stages, where basically you just get to meet your potential spouse. I've been seeing that recently, and I think it's something that is coming up, and you need to jump on it as a virtual assistant. This is how you stay ahead of 99% of virtual assistants or freelancers. Now, if you've watched to this point, I need you to drop a comment for me saying, I am an AI powered virtual assistant or I am an AI powered freelancer. Okay, so I will know that you watched till this point, neighbor. If you're watching till this point, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much for supporting my journey and watching this video without skipping. If a client is buying you, a client is buying your story, a client is buying your expertise or your human judgment, then that skill or niche is more AI safe. But if something is repetitive, template driven, or purely data based, AI is going to eat it up very, very fast. If it has not already, give it time. And you don't want to be there when AI comes for you. So you need to stay ahead of 99% of every other person that is still stuck doing most of this repetitive tasks. AI will not replace you, but the VA, the freelancer who knows how to use AI, is the one coming for your job. If you want to learn most of the skills, sign up for the VA simulation program, and I cannot wait to see you inside. Have a blessed week. Bye, neighbor. For example, you can use Zapier for when someone book a client. For example, you can use Zapier when someone books. For example, number one is what now. Number one is what. Don't forget the lens. They might add it. You go just come out and come out. I think I'm gonna remove and keep.